The Mighty Circular Saw, Chapter 1, Changing Blades for Beginners. In color, and it comes along with a decent audio guide. So first things first, we remove the battery. We flip the saw and grab the Allen key, one of the important tools for changing blades. Our next step is to loosen the blade clamping screw. In order to do that, we will depress the blade lock button simultaneously while loosening the clamping screw. So far, so good. Next step is to move the lower blade guard in order to remove the blade with ease. And keep an eye out for the inner blade washer. If done correctly, that washer goes nowhere. Alrighty, just ensure the blade has the correct orientation, otherwise you can go viral on YouTube in case you videotape it for the public. And at this point, we do all the steps in reverse. Tightening up like a smooth mother lover. And for the love of God, please store the Allen key to its designated position. Good boy. Let's do some visual checks, because you never know. An aligned blade is the ultimate dream of all woodworkers in town. Cool. Slap that battery of your choice and fire it up. No wobble, no drama. That's how I like it. And congratulations for your first blade change. For any questions and concerns, please leave a comment. We also generously accept thumbs up and thumbs down activities. That's all for now, and have a fantastic day.